Hi, so for the last component I'm going to talk about is the blog component. I've done this as a kind of a way for users to leave feedback on the application, and I've left my own little note for people to read and stuff like that. So how is this working? The anchor link tags and stuff like the edit and delete buttons, these only show up if the person who's currently logged in was the one who created the logged in. So username equals blog created by. So if you look at it, created by is this, posted by. So Caelan Redmond. So it does. I'm currently logged in as Caelan Redmond, so it allows me to see these two buttons. Um, then how we also have some checks in both the front end and the back end for a blog's requirements because it's best practice. I'll show you now. Yeah, so these are all the various checks and stuff like that in the back end, but also in the front end we also have these checks. New post. So if I was to do that, and that, you can see the button becomes green. It becomes a heavier green, meaning that you're allowed to submit. Meanwhile, if I don't make the title long enough, don't make the body long enough, I get some errors telling me that I need to be doing more stuff. Otherwise, I'm not allowed to submit. So that's another part of the code that I'd like to show up because it shows good practice. Thank you.